how to join meeting on Skype on phone. So if you want to join Skype meeting on your phone, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your Skype application. Once you launch your Skype, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you need to go with the bottom left, which has that calls option. Tap on calls, and here you will have start a call or create Skype link. So if you want to join a meeting, then you just need to simply go with create Skype link. And if you want to create a start meeting, you can simply tap on create start meeting or start new meeting. And here you will have the Skype link. You can simply copy the link and then you can go with start now, and you can share the link and you can give the meeting a name. And once the other person taps on that link, they'll be joined in the meeting. But if you have a link and if you want to join, then you can simply tap on join with link, and then you need to enter the meeting code or the link and then tap on join, and you will be able to join the meeting. So that's how you can join meeting on your Skype on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.